If vitamins are the foundation of health, polyphenols level it up. Polyphenols are in your tea, berries, even your wine. But what are they? In this video, I'll uncover what they are, how they're categorised, and reveal some of the foods that are rich in these protective micronutrients. So what are polyphenols? Polyphenols are naturally occurring compounds found in plants that have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They're not a vitamin or a mineral, but a type of micronutrient that plays a major role in protecting us from oxidative stress and associated health issues like inflammation, heart disease, and certain cancers. These micronutrients are defined by having multiple phenol units, hence the name polyphenol. There are over 8,000 known types of polyphenols, and they're generally grouped into 5 main categories, which are flavonoids, phenolic acids, stilbenes, lignans, and polyphenolic amides. Flavonoids and phenolic acids alone make up over 90% of polyphenols, as they serve essential protective roles in plants and are efficient to produce. There are numerous health benefits to eating a diet rich in polyphenols, which include providing antioxidant protection, lowering the risk of heart attacks, supporting cognitive function and memory, calming chronic inflammation, protecting against UV damage, and supporting gut health. So which foods are rich in polyphenols? Fruits, berries, especially blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, cherries, grapes, particularly the red and the black varieties, apples, plums, pomegranates, oranges, and other citrus fruits. Vegetables, of course, so spinach, red onions, artichoke, broccoli, asparagus. Some beverages are high in polyphenols: green tea, black tea, coffee, red wine in moderation, cocoa and dark chocolate. Then certain beans and pulses, so black beans, lentils, soybeans, nuts and seeds, which include hazelnuts, walnuts, almonds. Also herbs and spices. Cloves is one of the richest sources of polyphenols: star of anise, peppermint, oregano, thyme and turmeric. And then also whole grains too, so whole oats, whole wheat, brown rice and rye. And the last one that I have to include is extra virgin olive oil. This one's incredibly easy to incorporate. Just add a small amount to any lunches that you're having. I personally like to sprinkle it over any salads, and I have it as my dressing. When you're buying your olive oil, just look for one with a high polyphenol count to maximise the benefits, and it's normally displayed online or actually on the bottle itself. If you're aiming to increase polyphenol intake for health, I wouldn't use this as an excuse to start overindulging on the wine. Instead, focus on a varied plant-based diet with plenty of colourful fruits, vegetables, herbs and teas. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.